Hey guys, it's been a while, but I'm back again. And in this video, we are going to talk about my October finds because there are a lot of products right there and some of these products are mind-blowing, literally. Starting off with a body care find, I got this in my local supermarket, but this one smells amazing and literally smells like honey. It has a really nice vanilla and honey fragrance that I absolutely love. And this is from a brand called as Treaclemoon. And I have previously used their marshmallow one and I equally love this. Plus it comes in a humongous bottle, lathers nicely and probably would last you throughout the winters. By the way, a winter skincare guide is coming right after this video. Now I recently discovered this brand and this is from a brand called as Perdura and this is the Seboreg Advanced Acne Treatment. Now this one claims to be a spot corrector not only for your active acne but also post-acne marks, and this one works. I will link the cheapest link right in the description box so you can get all of these products a little bit cheaper. Now it comes in a pump packaging, first plus point. Second, it is a very nice lightweight kind of a serum-y consistency, only supposed to be used as a spot corrector, not like an overall serum. This uses a combination of azelaic acid, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, niacinamide, zinc PCA, bakuchiol, and a couple of other plant extracts. Overall, whatever Perdura has done with this product, it is simply mind-blowing. This is very affordable as well. This would easily last you maybe 6 months, 8 months, depending on how much acne you get. I saw visible reduction in the inflammation on the acne just after like 3 to 4 hours of applying this, and probably the acne scars took about 2 weeks and active acne took about 12 days to be exact to be completely flat. So yeah, I love this. Next up from Xyst, I have their Retinol Night Cream. I have mentioned it in my Instagram series. This particular brand makes amazing product. This retinol cream is a super nice, nourishing, moisturizing, beginner friendly retinol that anyone can add in their routine. Overall has a nice blend of emollients and this cream is sensitive skin friendly, so that's a bonus point and I love it to bits. Now I was always skeptical about the Studio makeup and skincare. That just gives me ick. But Studio West or West Side sometimes had decent fragrances, but that's about it. I don't like these retail skincare or makeup because on the same price you can probably invest a little bit more, maybe 100 rupees more, and get a better skincare and makeup. But coming on to Studio West, which is a franchise of West Side, has amazing body care. Starting off with this coconut water body scrub. I just got it just to see how bad these products are, but trust me, this body scrub is amazing. This has a body washy consistency but has very tiny minute scrubby particles that doesn't dissolve in water that quickly, so you get a nice scrubby feeling. And also the fragrance is amazing. The coconut water literally smells like a tropical drink, not too much coconutty, and the ingredient list is not that bad. When I was going through these body care products, I thought maybe it's like a bogus product, but for 299 rupees you get 200 gram of product and it does what it claims and I love it. The next find is from this brand called as Skin Inspired. Again, I mentioned it in my Instagram series. This cream cleanser is one of the best winter cleanser that you can ever get for your skin. Even if you have oily skin, this cleanser is amazing. It's moisturizing, hydrating, and also, maybe I might be wrong, it helped me a lot with my acne. I don't know how a cleanser can help with your acne, but this is what I have noticed. After using this for about 2 weeks, I didn't get any kind of bumps, even the smallest bumps and a little bit of fungal acne that I get here and there. When I was using this, I didn't get a single acne on my face. So yeah, I might be wrong. The Skin Inspired one, has truly inspired me to try more of their products. The last two products in the list are both hair care products, and this is a combo that I have been using and probably be using throughout the winter months. The Love Beauty and Planet's olive oil and peptide bond repair shampoo along with the Bare Anatomy's ultra smoothing hair mask. And this combo gives you the most silkiest locks out there, and this shampoo is truly the best sulfate free shampoo I've ever used because it lathers like a good sulfate shampoo. And I love a good sulfate shampoo, but because I colored my hair recently, I didn't want to like wash it off that quickly, so I switched again to a sulfate free life. And the Love Beauty and Planet, I have a smaller one, the 200 ml one, which costs something about 385 rupees, but I'm surely gonna buy a full size one, and I would highly recommend you guys to try this one for the coming winters. And the Bare Anatomy's mask, I have used their Color Protect mask, which was kind of like normal, but this ultra smoothing hair mask has completely changed my hair. I've only used it twice maybe, and I can literally see the difference. They have claimed to restore the smoothness and texture by 27%, and I couldn't agree more. If you trust me, even for like 1%, try this. It would literally change your hair. So yeah, these were my October finds. If you want to see more of these find series, do let me know in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends who is looking for some new indie brands or new products in general, because I really like to use like new different products, and I'm a sort of person that gets bored pretty easily with the same product. So share it to someone who likes to experiment with their skincare, body care or hair care. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in my next video. So bye bye and take care.